Welcome to the Trivial Company Client Clearance Dashboard. This tool gives you a complete view of your parking system, including available, in use, and out of commission spaces. At the top, you can quickly see totals and current availability to help assign parking efficiently. To assign a vehicle, select Vehicle Assign and run a road check. The system verifies vehicle dimensions using the Trivial database and shows only compatible spaces. Once selected, enter tenant information and assign the space. The system updates instantly, allowing you to manage or clear assignments as needed. For properties with clearance limits, refer to the dedicated section for important guidelines and layouts. Always visually verify vehicles before parking. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit thetrivialcompany.com or contact us at contact@thetrivialcompany.com.